I have a breaking news about Tesla Cybertruck. Look at this Tesla new Cybertruck design. The latest Tesla Cybertruck design is spotted at Fremont Factory today, as you can see from these images from a drone video. Look how massive that windshield is. Now, if you look at the video, the link of which I will have in the description of this video, I have to say though, I think the drone flyover should have kept a little more distance, especially towards the end of the video. Now, better shots of Tesla Cybertruck we have today, spotted at Fremont today. Some interesting stuff going on, friends. So what is happening? We're expecting to get an update about the Cybertruck during Tesla's product roadmap update that CEO Elon Musk said he would release as part of the company's Q4 2021 earnings. However, the CEO only announced that the Cybertruck has been delayed to hopefully 2023 due to supply chain constraints. Nonetheless, a new prototype of the electric pickup truck has been today spotted around California and Texas over the last, it has been spotted over the last month anyway in Texas and Fremont in December. In Texas, Tesla was spotted testing a new prototype of the Cybertruck on its latest truck at Fremont Factory. A few weeks later, Tesla brought a new prototype of the Cybertruck to Giga Factory, Texas. Several pictures and even a video of the update version of the electric pickup have been leaked. Now it looks like the prototype is back in the Fremont factory and Tesla is working on it as it was spotted in a new drone flyover. Why do you think Tesla brought the Cybertruck to Fremont factory? Are they trying to ramp up the project, something to bring it to faster production? Tesla appears to be installing equipment, likely sensors, on the prototype. Part of the streams around the bed and wells also are covered, if you notice. The drone with video people around give a good idea of the size of the latest design version of the Cybertruck, which has been rumored to be smaller after the latest pictures came out. From this video, it looks to be smaller size as the original prototype unveiled in 2019. The large single windshield wiper that has been a controversial addition to the latest prototype is not visible in this video. We are happy to get another close look at the vehicle. However, we can't condone this kind of drone flying, says Electrek in its coverage. In the video, the drone appears to get dangerously close, as I said in the beginning of this report, to the vehicle and Tesla employees, to the point that you can see them being concerned and sort of chasing it away. While I get that people are excited to see the electric pickup, let's try to keep it respectful. Same as I reported this morning about the guy who is tracking Elon Jet. Now, this is very interesting. I think Tesla should keep up this work on Tesla factories and Tesla Cybertruck. Let's see. What do you think? What do you see when you look at the Cybertruck images? Any comments, guys? This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to this channel for daily breaking Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Let's see what I have for you. Tesla's Elon Musk has a dire warning for NIO, Rivian, and Lucid. Electric vehicle leader Tesla CEO has thrown down a gauntlet for the coming year. Also robots. Tesla's chief executive Elon Musk sometimes makes promises he can't deliver, perhaps that he never intends to deliver, writes Daniel Klein in The Street. Will there be a Cybertruck in 2023? Will Tesla release a flying taxi or a drone or a robot? Musk has mentioned some of these things, and whether they will ever actually exist remains a large question for many people, says Klein. But amidst all the bravado, however, Tesla has delivered. The company may not deliver on every promise its CEO makes, but it has delivered a lot of cars, at least by electric vehicle standards. The electric vehicle leader delivered roughly 1 million electric cars in 2021, and its plans for 2022 should worry the would-be upstarts in the space, Lucid Motors and Rivian Automotive and NIO. Why? So what does Tesla plan for 2022 that it should worry the upstarts? Tesla will not introduce any new models in 2022. That may disappoint its fans, who seem to like the company's constant innovation, including me, but it should terrify Lucid, Rivian, and NIO. That's because Elon Musk has plans for the new year, and they're not about innovating. They are about dominating. He spoke about it during the company's fourth quarter earnings call, and here's what Elon Musk said. I think it is worth noting that we, and as the internet has observed, we have been making quite a few cars in Texas and Berlin. So in Austin and Berlin. So in Texas, we're building a Model Y's first, the structural battery pack and the 4680 cells, and will start delivering after final certification of the vehicle, which should be fairly soon. Capacity expansion will continue through maximizing output of each factory and building new factories and new locations in the future. Although we're not ready to announce any new locations on this call, but we will get through 2022, look at new locations, and probably be able to announce new locations toward the end of this year, I expect. Tesla has a massive lead in production over its rivals, and it plans to devote the next year to actually extending that lead. Musk expects to make significant progress over the next 11 months or so. Growing capacity was a recurring theme in Tesla CEO, who came back to the later in the call. And in fact, he said, we do expect significant growth in 2022 over 2021, comfortably above 50% growth in 2022. So when Musk came later in the call, he said, the fundamental focus of Tesla this year is scaling output. So both last year and this year, if we were to introduce new vehicles, our total vehicle output would decrease. This is a very important point that I think a lot of people do not understand. So last year we spent a lot of engineering and management resources solving supply chain issues, rewriting code, changing our chips, reducing the number of chips we need with Chip Drama Central. And that was not the only supply chain issues, just hundreds of things. And as a result, we were able to grow almost 90%, while at least almost every other manufacturer contracted last year. So that's a good result. But if we had introduced, say, a new car last year, our total vehicle output would have been the same because of our constraints, the chip constraints particularly. Elon Musk might be prone to bravado and making trolling comments, says the client, but he also fully understands his business. The statement above shows that 2022 will not be a year in which the company changes the world with a new idea. Instead, it will be one where Tesla focuses on building its lead over its rivals. So how far ahead of NIO, Rivian, and Lucid is Tesla? Tesla came in a 1 million vehicle delivered last year, and it's unreasonable to expect that at least it will double in 2022. NIO, Lucid, and Rivian remain absurdly behind. Lucid delivered dozens, not even hundreds of vehicles in 2021. The company expects to hit 500,000 vehicles by 2030. NIO hit 9,652 cars delivered in January. That's an improvement over the previous quarter, where it averaged about 8,000 per month. Rivian delivered less than 1,000 vehicles in 2021. The company has a second factory being built that will be completed in 2024. That facility will have a capacity of 400,000 cars per year. Tesla has a big lead, and Musk wants to increase that. But of course, the CEO can't help himself, and he promised to develop an innovation that's not vehicle, which he expects to help the company ramp up its production even more. I think actually the most important product development we're doing this year is actually the Optimus humanoid robot, he said. This, I think, has the potential to be more significant than the vehicle business over time. Why would building a robot help Tesla produce more cars? Musk explained. He said, if you think about the economy, it is the foundation of the economy is labor. Capital equipment is distilled labor. So what happens if you don't actually have a labor shortage? I'm not sure what an economy even means at that point. That's what Optimus is about. So we're important. So very important. Friends, let me know your thoughts. What do you think about Tesla's lead over NIO, Lucid Motors, and Rivian? And what do you think about Tesla's or Elon Musk's strategy to solidify its lead over its rivals and expand versus being new innovations? I think it's a smart strategy. So I would like to hear your comments in the comment section below. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to this channel for daily Tesla news, breaking Tesla news, and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Have a great day. God bless you. Let's move to the next story. See what's interesting I have for you.